Hey everyone, welcome to my first video. Together we're going to review my crochet creations from 2024 to 2026 by adding a score out of 10. This one is my first hat creation. The stitches and loops have widened over time. It's not perfect, but it's okay. The pinkish beige is simple and cute. It goes well with a pretty little dress. These were made with thick chenille yarn, without the frills. They are simple. A small bag, it's sturdy, but the only drawback is that the handle is too long. There are 12 granny square patterns. I find both of his hats stylish, with a Spider-Man vibe, a mix of regular wool and chenille yarn. But the only flaw is the visible line between the layers. It's also pretty in green, no doubt about it. This one has a touch of originality in terms of the frou-frou frill. Coffee colored without too much of a frill, simple. I like this one. The mix of yellow and navy blue is beautiful. A powerful red that doesn't go unnoticed, nothing more to add. A colorful cushion made of chenille wool. It's not finished yet, but it's original. A helmet cover that can be removed using buttons. I need to improve this concept. A small, 2 granny square pouches with 2 different types of openings. It allows me to store my hooks. That's cool. And the giant cushion is perfect for relaxing quietly. Men's hat. It's a little bigger. This color is very popular. Purple sells quickly. This one took me a little longer, but the result is beautiful. It's soft and perfect when it's very cold. And finally, 2 hats with the granny square pattern. Here's the granny square pattern for this hat. It's one of my first posts, a nice experience, but I can do better. Thank you for watching this video. I will make a tutorial for each creation, so stay tuned for future videos. Bye.